Hello again and welcome back. Today I demonstrate the game Wonderboy on 4 different computer platforms. Wonderboy was released by Sega in 1986, developed by a company called Escape. It was a side-scrolling action game where the player controls a young boy seeking to rescue his kidnapped girlfriend. Sega developed a version of Wonderboy for the SG-1000 available exclusively in Japan and New Zealand, but was greatly different to the other versions. The reason stated was hardware differences. This video demonstrates the following platforms: the Commodore 64, Sinclair ZX Spectrum 128K, Sega SG-1000, and the Sega Master System. The Commodore 64 version came on cassette, disc and cartridge. There's a nice intro screen, the graphics are good, nice and colourful, and the sound isn't too bad either. The game utilises the C64's hardware scrolling and produces a pleasingly smooth game. The Spectrum 128 version makes use of the updated sound chip in that machine, and the graphics are, like a lot of Spectrum games, monochrome but fairly detailed, and the levels change colour. The sound effects are similar to the C64's. There's only one small gripe: the control and animation of the main character seems a little stiff. Now this version is very different. The scrolling is done character by character, so not smooth like other versions. The music is entirely different, and even the layout of the game itself has changed. This version is the closest I have seen to the arcade original. It has the same soundtrack, very similar graphics and scrolls smoothly. The colours are fantastic, as is the sound and effects. There is a slight flicker when too many sprites are lined up together, but that's to be expected with the graphics chips of the time. The verdict. Out of the 4 tested, the Master System is by far and away the best version of Wonderboy outside the arcade. The C64's version is not bad. It has nice music and graphics and scrolls smoothly enough. The Spectrum version is as good as can be expected given the hardware it's got. but the SG-1000 version is a chronically bad attempt and could easily have been done much better even with the hardware it was on. That's all for now, take care until next time, thank you for watching.